Even as more sources revealed that LJP is all set to join the NDA's fold, the announcement likely very soon. LJP leader Chirag Paswan says there are no talks of an alliance yet.
He's also gone on to say that a final decision will be taken only after they hold a parliamentary committee meeting.
Yes, definitely I'll agree to the fact that there's been a distress in the party leaders because there's no clarity over the alliance. This is the reason why very soon we're going to have a parliamentary board meeting in which we're going to decide that what our future strategy is going to be concerning the alliances.
But maybe you might be joining the NDA considering that. Do you say that Narendra Modi is a fit candidate for the Prime Minister's post? What is your opinion about Modi?
We'll cross the bridge when it comes.
But what about Modi? Because Congress has been saying that there have been court charges, there have been serious allegations against him. Do you think he's a fair candidate? Do you think that there are baseless allegations against him?
See, SIT, I mean, if the court has given its verdict and they say that he's clean, so I don't think that this is an issue to talk about now.
But you are not really giving out much at this moment. Does that mean you are keeping your options open? You are giving time to the Congress to get back to you?
Honestly speaking, there isn't anything much to give out right now. As I said, that everything will be decided only after the parliamentary board meeting.
Now, the BJP too continues to remain tight-lipped on an alliance with the LJP. However, sources tell Times Now that the Bihar BJP leader Sushil Modi and Mangal Pandey have rushed to Delhi to hold meetings on an alliance with the LJP.
उदित राज शामिल हो गए बीजेपी में, पासवान जी कब आ रहे हैं? एलजेपी कब शामिल हो रही है बीजेपी?
देखिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी और एनडीए का कुनबा बढ़ रहा है और निश्चित तौर से आज देश में जिस तरह से नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की एक आंधी है, बदलाव की आंधी है, सुशासन का संग्राम चल रहा है, उस सुशासन के संग्राम में हिस्सेदारी भागीदारी लोग कर रहे हैं। जो लोग आएंगे और जो लोग आ रहे हैं वो आपको एक करके पता लगेगा आपको। इसलिए कौन अभी आने वाला है, कौन आ रहा है, इसका कयास के आधार पर हम कोई बात करना उचित नहीं समझते।
There is tremendous political turmoil in the country because Congress is losing and BJP is surging ahead under the leadership of Modi. And there is tremendous support of the people, and people want decisive change in the government with a decisive leader and with a decisive mandate. And therefore, every party is thinking in their camps and positioning themselves. And that's the right way to do in a coalition era. And therefore, if parties are now thinking in terms of coming with BJP, is a good sign. But unless something concretizes, we will not like to share anything, because the moment it is concretized, we will say, just like today, Dalit leader Udit Raj is joining party. Yes, he is joining. So we will definitely tell when the things happen.
Well, I think it is completely speculative. Mr. Ramvilas Paswan heads a political party in Bihar. He has taken a stand which has been consistent with the principles of pluralism and secularism, which underscore and underline the entire idea of India. So therefore, if at all there is anything which is playing out in the public space, my instant reaction would be that I think it is completely and purely speculative, because the person who chose to walk out of a government on the question of the Gujarat program, the program of 2002, I think would find it hard to really take a U-turn on that position, considering that all the issues arising out of the Gujarat program continue to remain unaddressed, especially the question of the question of justice for the victims of that program.
बड़ा आश्चर्यजनक है कि पासवान जी ने ये राजनीतिक निर्णय व्यक्तिगत लाभ के लिए लिया है, क्योंकि हमेशा से वो समतावादी व्यवस्था की बात करते आए हैं, हमेशा वो गरीबों की और पिछड़ों की बात करते आए हैं। परंतु सब जानते हैं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी पूंजीपतियों के साथी है। वो जानते हैं सब कि सामंतवादी सोच है उनकी। सब जानते हैं कि उनकी व्यवस्था में जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं जो एक बहुत ही परंपरागत रूढ़वादी व्यवस्था के प्रति उनके मन में श्रद्धा है। तो उनके प्रति जाना और अल्पसंख्यकों के प्रति उनकी क्या, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की क्या रुख है, वो भी वो जानते हैं। मोदी जी आरएसएस से हैं, ये भी वो जानते हैं। फिर भी अगर एनडीए में गए हैं तो वो खुद बताएं कि उनकी अपनी सोच ने इसको प्रभावित किया है या उनके व्यक्तिगत लक्ष्यों ने।